Hello and welcome back. I'm Thomas Boucher, and in this video we'll take a look at putting in this window. Basically 4 7/8, but then we have to add 3/4 of an inch, or with an inch. Well, this is 4 3/4. This is 4 7/8. Eighth inch difference. So this one we gotta cut to 40 5/8. If you want to just hold that here, that'll be fine. So we gotta nail that somewhere. It's going to stick out an inch here, and it should be about a ½ inch in from here. So I had to cut a second piece of wood, because when I was planning everything out, I forgot to allow for the casing on the outside and for this to stick past it. I only allowed for it to stick past what's here on the wall now, so I had to cut another one. That'd be 27. Hopefully this does it.
You said 39 1/8, right?
That's what we're aiming for, yeah.
So that's an exact fit. You need a little.
No, that's with wiggle.
Alright. Can we go out and catch it? Does it go in?
Nah, it's hitting up top a little bit. It's under, but it's like a really tight fit. So I think we do need to kind of give it a skim cut on the top. tight fit. Is it just this leading edge though?
I don't know. But it is all the way across.
So you can't use the... Yeah, see, it's just the leading edge. I could probably plane that edge off. Thanks again for watching. As always, in the description below, there'll be links to where you can find out more of what I've got going on, such as my Instagram. You can head to my website to pick up some of these t-shirts. The selection on them is limited, so head on over there now to make sure you can get one. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel so you can keep up to date with the shop build, as well as future projects. Bye!